Having close family ties is one of the most well-known values in many cultures, especially here in the Philippines. It means that family members maintain strong emotional connections, support each other, and stay involved in one another's lives. One of the biggest advantages of close family ties is a strong sense of belongingness it gives. When you grow up in a close family, you always have a support system, people you can rely on emotionally, financially, and even in simple daily needs. This helps build confidence and resilience because you know you are not alone. This closeness can also help during difficult times like sickness or financial struggles because everyone contributes to solving the problems. However, having very close family ties also has disadvantages. Sometimes, families become too involved in each other's lives to the point that it limits personal freedom. Some individuals may feel pressured to follow family expectations, even if it goes against their own dreams or decisions. For example, someone might feel obligated to stay close to home, support relatives financially, or choose a career that the family prefers instead of what they personally want. Another disadvantage is it can prevent independence and personal growth. Close family can also create conflict, especially when privacy is not respected. It is important to create a healthy balance, maintaining closeness while still allowing each person to grow and make their own choices. Thank you. I am Evangeline Claudio Gregorio from BSIE 2A.